We have two tables, the first stored data for the slots that generated and the other for the slots that used. At first, we need to create a full join table with all the data from the two tables, and then we will create 3 new conditional columns to replace the null values of full join with values from the others columns. So let's create the merged table. We define the matched fields between the two tables. We choose full join, we rename the table. And the merged table is ready. So the next step is to create 3 new columns, which they will replace the 3 first columns of each table that we merged. The goal here is to create columns without null values by combining the data from the other columns. To do this, we have to use conditional columns. Let's create the first. We will call it slot dates. The rules will be if the first table date has null values, replace it with the date from the other, and if not, keep the same date. We will do the same, and for the date of the second table. We move the new column in the beginning of our table, and we repeat the same steps for the 2 new columns. So let's create the column for thickness, and finally the column for item type. We bring all columns that we will use for our BI project in front. And in last step, we will replace the null values of the decimal columns with 0. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for our next video with a full course of Power BI in a real-world project that I do for the company in which I work.